For thousands of years, ancient farmers unknowingly used basic genetic principles when they attempted to improve food plants. For example, a wild grass called maize occasionally produced plants with large seeds. These seeds were saved, and the plants that grew from them were bred with one another. By developing corn plants that could be used to provide a steady food supply, people were able to settle down, and towns developed. And so, in many different parts of the world, because of simple genetic manipulation of wild food plants, great civilizations were able to flourish. Eventually, civilization developed to the point that people expanded their genetic tinkering to include non-food plants, plants that were desirable simply because they looked or smelled good. And today, most of the large, elaborate flowers found adorning the world's gardens, like these hybrid roses, were developed many centuries ago from much simpler plants, like the wild roses seen here that were bred with other wild strains of roses that had flowers of different colors, or that had unusual arrangement of petals. Also, the people of long ago captured wild animals and bred them with one another, eventually producing domesticated animals with genetic characteristics that were superior to those possessed by the wild breeds. For example, they bred sheep that grew heavier woolen coats and produced more meat, chickens that laid larger eggs, and faster, more powerful horses. As we have seen, human beings have been taking advantage of genetic principles for thousands of years and have benefited greatly by doing so. And yet it was not until the 19th century that genetics began to be investigated in a truly scientific way.